years and 30, and I have a pet cat. Its name is Mimi. Its color is black and white. Mimi has a fluffy hair coat. Its favorite food is cheesecake. When I eat cheesecake, it always follows me and screaming. Mimi is a very smart cat and also playful. It always playing with me and my family. We love Mimi so much. Meow, meow, meow.